Today I'm doing a bike check on my new bike that I got. It's kind of sunny, so it looks orange, but it's actually red. So, starting in the front, we have Sunday manhandle bars with ODI extra long grips in red. Soft. I ride brakeless. Sunday octave forks with the Hawk OEM, or whatever it's called, 2.4 tires. And then my hub and my rim, I forget what those are, but and then I have Sunday Freeze front load stem with my Sunday primer frame in red. Can't really see it that well. Looks orange. There it is, kind of red. With a stolen Thermalite pivotal seat and pivotal seat post. Sunday seat clamp. And then some Wogo pedals. I don't really care about pedals. Pedals are pedals. They're plastic, I like them. With the Sunday Sabertooth sprocket and AMC chain. Another Hawk OEM 2.4 tire. Again, I forget what hub and rim, but today's Christmas and I just got it. And mid-bottom bracket. And crap, I forget what my cranks are. But then I have Sunday headset and tires 35 to 65 psi, plain bolts, Sunday primer. Sunday, I would take the warning sticker off, but I don't want to leave stuff. And on the front we have, you have chosen wisely, you have chosen wisely, blah 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 blah. No, cloud. But that's everything on my bike, I think, with ODI bar ends, nylon bar ends, and I think that's most of it. So let's get something. Yep, I think that's good. And I have Vans. I don't know, just Vans. They're kind of like the Vans half cabs with the like puffy collar and the puffy tongue. But altogether, my bike is 23.8 pounds, and I like it. So that's it. Let's get one more. Not very good at faking.